Hello everyone. So welcome back to day 17. Now we have made our login view, sign up view and sidebar component. We have entered into the home page previously, and sorry for the interruption for the last day. The internet was not stable at my location, so it doesn't go as usual. But let's focus on today. So I hope it will work better. So we will look into design. Yesterday we were working on home page. So what we built till now, we will look into it, and then again from that we will continue what we are going to make ahead by today. So first, let's check our task. Where we check out? We will check out at Jira, where we are storing those tasks at different level and the timelines. So in the front end, we have designed our timeline. Now we have done the component part. Now we are building the functional website from the front end, where the button are working and all sort of those things. So in front end, it's progress, and it is be completed by tomorrow, the home page. So now let's check the design of the home page on again Figma to work upon it. Okay, so from the home page point of view, we can see it is like this. So yes, we have to build like something like this, and then we have also select the color of this, the name of the owner of that thing. So let's get back to the code and first run the project so that we can have a look what we have built till now and what we have to make. Npm run dev. So just wait for a few minutes. By the time, let me refresh this as well. So let's wait for a few minutes. It will get loaded. Yeah, you can see that. The first thing you can see the image, and then there's a this thing, and we need to change this thing. So image, after image, this is there, and first thing what we make the background change. So we should remove this first. Now you will see white background, but we also don't want white background, so we will remove the background itself. Now it is looking good, the background, and now there is a border which we can see. So let's remove the border as well. Yeah, it's better now. Now the time for the text. So the text, first thing, that remove the dark part, and that text should be black. And by now, let's write it as Jack, but later on, what we will do, we will use the APIs where we get the data and name this as the owner of that image. So let's see what it looks like. And now the text is there, everything is there. We want, this is not a link, or yeah, this should be a link to this that profile page or his profile page. where we can see at. So that is a part of latest. We can make that a part of latest stage when we create a following follower page. By now, let's remove this and make text as not center but left. And then this itself to here. So now this thing is there. And now first we remove the background of dark, everything from dark. Text should be black, and text again on left. So let's save it and check it. How does it look? So the thing of the paragraph. So now this thing should be black. First thing. And again, mm, again this should be text left. Also, we can do this. Instead of that, we will just use it here and move it here. And then removing the p tag. So let's remove MB as well. And instead of this should not be a button. So for now, it should not be a button. So let's remove the background blue and all sort of those things. So this is a focus ring. So let's remove the hover blue again. and we are removing the SVG. We don't require that arrow. We require more. And that too after this part. Instead of this should be P in a single paragraph. Now image is there, then this is there, this is there, this is at the center. Item center, no. Padding, no. It's just a link. Nothing need to be. Okay, just need one thing. That text color. So let's remove this. What we want to add? We want to add text color, and that color is so now color fill is this. So let's copy this. So let's get back to this, and now you can see more is there. Removing this, tracking tight, and hold this thing need to be there here. Yes, now everything is on left. This is the name of the user, and what we do. So we will do truncation or limitation of these things. So before that, we have to add one more thing. So what was that? Again, we have to add the icons in that div container. That icon of like and icon of comment that can add a like and comment to the image. Now, suppose now that icon is required, so we have to look for the font icon library, or we will see like icon SVG. So we have to choose from this, copy image address. We will add an image. It's too big. So we will add a size in the class, not in the class. Let's make it IDS. And this time, and again we will add a, first let make this size available for like. So what we do, max width 20 px. You can see, and when click the color will change. So for that we can add a class, click bg red. So we will see, click bg red tailwind css. So let's read about it. Which state it have. It doesn't showing the click state. So there is nothing called click. So let's remove this, and then we can look for background change CSS. So this is the transition. Actually, transition thing is there. Transition. So transition. background is right now it will be, let's say, red itself. And again for that, what we will do, we will create active. And here we will add background color red. Instead of background color, there should be fill. So it is not like that. So let's remove this. So I hope this is clear now. We have added a like for everything. And similarly, let's add the comment first and then we will add the transition for this. So we will add a like icon instead of that comment icon SVG. And that can be also added with the JS. So we will use JS to do those things. So now this could be good for our application. All sort of these images are credit goes to the person who has uploaded this, not to me. I am just using this for project purpose, nothing else. So again, after this, we will add again another image. ID comment. Similarly, both has width. Now instead of that break, we will resolve this issue as well tomorrow. And we will add a link to this and we will look into the color fill of this thing and the link to these things. Till now, it is this much. Goodbye. I hope you like that thing. Thank you.